Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I truly hope you are having a great week. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to transform your life: the journey to building real, lasting wealth. It's not about quick fixes or blind luck. It's about uncovering powerful, strategic principles that often remain hidden. If you've been putting in the work, feeling stuck, or just know you're meant for more, this is the video for you. You might be feeling a sense of struggle right now. Maybe it's a tight budget, or maybe it's a deeper feeling, a lack of confidence in your path, or a belief that a better life is always just out of reach. We all have moments like that, and we're going to address that feeling head on. The core truth, the power of ownership. The truth we need to accept is this: you are the hero of your own financial story. Waiting for the perfect job, the ideal economy, or a magic motivation to strike is a form of self-sabotage. Your job isn't to wait for a savior, it's to step into your power. Your financial freedom won't come to you, it will come from you, through deliberate focus, skill, and clarity. This video isn't about becoming an overnight millionaire. It's about building a life where you feel secure and in control, free from the constant fear and worry about money. Let's use these principles not to feel bad about the past, but to create a powerful, non-negotiable plan for your future. Let's begin. Principle 1. Your mind is your greatest asset. Think of your brain as the most powerful financial tool you own. Most of us just haven't given it the proper training yet. The true root of financial success isn't in your bank balance. It's in the mindset you cultivate every single day. When our mind is full of fear, excuses, or limiting beliefs, it actually blocks opportunities. We are simply training our minds to survive instead of to thrive. The great news is we can consciously rewire this. Practical steps. Invest in your focus. Daily, replace 1 hour of scrolling or entertainment with education around your goals. YouTube and the internet are your university. Practice ideation. Write down one solution or money-making idea every day. You are training your brain to think in value instead of scarcity. Shift your dialogue. Instead of asking, "Why is this so hard?" ask, "How can I offer more value and serve more people today?" Your mind is a magnet for value. When you train it to solve, create, and build, opportunities naturally begin to flow toward you. Principle 2. Value trumps effort. This is a mindset shift, not a moral judgment. Hard work is essential, but effective work is what the world truly rewards. You know people who work incredibly hard, putting in long hours of physical or repetitive labor, yet they struggle. Then you see someone else who works 3 focused hours and achieves massive results. This isn't unfair, it's just the rule of the economy. Money flows where value is created. Value means you solve a real problem in a way that is unique, scalable, or highly skilled. The strategy. We need to move from effort-based work, which anyone can do and is easily replaced, to value-based work, which solves specific problems for specific people. Ask yourself daily, what unique result can I deliver today that someone is willing to pay for? Focus on the result, not just the action. The goal isn't to work 12 hours, it's to create solutions people pay for. The faster and better you can solve important problems, the more you will be compensated. Principle 3. Master high-income skills. The income you dream of is currently hiding inside a skill you haven't yet committed to mastering. Skills are the currency of the modern world. We can no longer rely on general knowledge. If you want to be in demand, you must have an in-demand skill. If your current skill set is easily replaceable, your income potential has a fixed ceiling. Identify and commit to one skill. Focus on skills that directly solve major market problems: digital marketing, coding, sales, strategic communication, design. Practice daily. Even 30 focused minutes is better than 3 hours of aimless study. Build proof. Offer your skill for free initially to build testimonials and a portfolio. A tool that is constantly sharpened will always be more effective than a dull one. Commit to being the person who is always learning, because those who stop learning will eventually be outperformed by those who are still growing. Principle 4. Credibility requires visibility. You might be incredibly talented and disciplined, but if the right people don't see your work, they can't hire you. Invisible excellence is rarely rewarded. In today's economy, visibility isn't about being loud, it's about being discoverable. Attention is a form of trust. Think of it like this. Your ideal client is searching for a solution right now. Your job is to simply make sure you are the person they find. Your visibility plan. Create value-driven content. Share your progress, your ideas, and your insights related to your skill. Show up consistently. Use platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, or relevant blogs. You don't need to be viral. You need to be visible to the right people. Stop hiding. Silence the voice that says, "I'm not ready." You don't need to be perfect to start. You need to start to become perfect. Your next opportunity is waiting to see you. Don't let your self-doubt keep you invisible. Principle 5. The courage to pay the price. True financial freedom comes with a cost, not in dollars, but in sacrifice, time, and focus. Most people avoid the real price of change. They want the comfort zone and the breakthrough simultaneously. And those two things rarely coexist. Every successful person you admire paid a price in advance. Years of obscurity, sleepless focus, choosing to work instead of relax. A simple choice. You get to decide how you will pay. Pay in advance, with temporary, focused sacrifice and discipline now. Pay forever, with the constant nagging struggle of barely getting by. This isn't about punishing yourself. It's about prioritizing your future self. Look your dreams in the face and say, "I will suffer now, so I don't have to suffer forever." This is the difference between those who dream and those who build. Principle 6. Build, don't spend. One of the most critical shifts for building wealth is moving from a consumer mindset to a builder mindset. The primary reason people stay stuck is simple. They are addicted to looking successful instead of actually becoming successful. They buy phones, clothes, or status symbols to impress people who aren't even paying attention. Real wealth whispers, insecurity screams. The wealth formula. When you receive money, your first thought shouldn't be, "What can I buy?" It should be, "How much of this can I protect, invest, or reinvest to create more?" Pay yourself first. Automate a percentage, even 10%, into savings, investment, or your skill education immediately. Money is momentum. Every dollar you intentionally save or reinvest becomes a seed. Every dollar spent impulsively becomes a lost branch. Be the person who quietly builds while everyone else performs. That's how you win forever. Conclusion. Your time is now. These principles are not complicated, but they require courage and relentless focus. You are already capable. You don't lack potential. You just need to align your daily actions with your biggest vision. Stop waiting for the magic moment to begin. Your time is now. Use these rules as your blueprint. Start small, be patient with the process, but be aggressive with your focus. Thank you for reading. Now, go make today a defining day.